Domestic animals. Farm animals and pet animals are domestic animals. Domestic animals are useful to us. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow has a large body. It has different colors. Cow eats grass and hay. Goat. Goat is very useful animal. We get milk from goat. Its milk is very rich in nutrients. Horse. Horse is a tall and strong animal. It can run very fast. It runs in races. The horse is a faithful animal. Hen. Hen is a domestic female bird. It has 2 legs. It gives us eggs. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small animal with long ears. Rabbits can jump very far with their legs. It has thick fur on their skin. Rabbits are popularly called bunny. Dog. Dog is a loyal animal. It can guard the house from strangers. A trained dog helps the police in chasing robbers. Cat. Cat is a small pet animal. It has greenish eye. Young one of cat is called as kitten. Cat has furry tail. Cats like to chase a mouse. Duck. Duck is a bird that cannot fly in the sky. It lives near pools, ponds, streams and rivers. Duck is a good swimmer in water. Sheep. Sheep is very useful animal. It gives us wool. Most of the sheep have curved horns. Sheep has a soft fur on the body. Donkey. Donkey is a domestic animal. It carries load. Donkey is a slow mover. Question answers. Name 2 animals that gives us milk. Answer is cow and goat. Which animal guards our house? The answer is dog. Which animal is used for riding? The answer is horse. Which animal kills rat? The answer is cat. animal runs in races? The answer is horse. Which are the birds gives us eggs? The answer is hen and duck. Which animal gives us wool? The answer is sheep. Which animal carry loads for us? The answer is donkey.